Welcome to Legends Unfolds, where the greatest stories of innovation, history, and technology take flight. Airplanes, machines that turned mankind's dream of flying into reality. They connect people, countries, and cultures. But have you ever wondered how an airplane is actually built inside a factory? Let's unfold the story. It all began in 1903, when the Wright brothers flew the world's first powered airplane in North Carolina. The flight lasted just 12 seconds, but it changed the world forever. Airplane manufacturing is one of the most advanced processes in the world. Design and engineering, created on powerful 3D computer systems. Parts manufacturing fuselage from aluminum and composites, wings for lift, jet engines by Rolls-Royce, GE, Pratt & Whitney, and high-tech cockpits with avionics. Assembly, every part joins together in giant halls, almost like a giant puzzle. Testing, hundreds of safety checks before the first flight. India is now a rising hub in global aviation. Companies like HAL, Tata Advanced Systems, and Mahindra Aerospace are building aircraft parts and even entire planes. From Bengaluru to Hyderabad, Indian factories are now connected to the skies of the world. Aviation isn't just technology, it's a trillion-dollar business. In India alone, over 12 million passengers fly every month, generating massive revenue for airlines, airports, tourism, and jobs across the country. Airplane parts are built across the globe. Engines in the USA, UK, and France, avionics in Germany and India, wings in Airbus and Boeing factories across Europe, America, and Asia. It's truly an international masterpiece of engineering. And the cost? Astronomical. Airbus A320, R700 to 800 crore, Boeing 737, Rs750 to 900 crore, private luxury jets, anywhere between Rs50 and 300 crore. So the next time you board a flight, remember, you're sitting inside one of the greatest engineering marvels ever made. If you loved this story, like, share, and subscribe to Legends Unfolds. Follow us across social media for more legendary journeys.